Stop for a moment. Listen to me very carefully. Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Speak Like Pro. If you have a dream, if you want to change your life, but every day someone tells you you can't do this, this is not for you, you are wasting your time, then this story is not just a story for you. This story is a warning. This story is a mirror. This story can change your life forever. Because today, you will learn one painful truth. To succeed in life, sometimes you must become deaf. Yes, deaf. Not to the right advice, but to the negative voices that slowly kill your dreams. So don't skip this video, because the last part of this story can completely change the way you think. A long time ago, there was a beautiful green forest. In the middle of that forest, there was a small, peaceful pond. The water was clean, the air was fresh, life was slow and calm. In that pond, 5 frog friends lived together. They were not rich, they were not powerful, but they were happy. Every morning, they jumped together, they played together, they laughed together. At night, they sat near the pond and talked about life. But even though they were friends, their thinking was different. Let me introduce them to you. First frog, he liked to think deeply. Second frog, he believed others very easily. Third frog, he was afraid of failure. Fourth frog, he was calm and silent. Fifth frog, he was strong and confident. 5 friends, 1 pond, 1 life. They believed life would always be the same, but life never stays the same. One evening, they were sitting near the pond. The sun was going down, the sky was orange. Suddenly, First Frog said, "Is this all life is? Jumping, eating, sleeping, again and again?" Everyone looked at him. Second Frog laughed and said, "Why are you thinking so much?" But First Frog continued, "There must be more in life. There must be something beyond this pond." For a moment, everyone became silent. Then Fifth Frog said, "Why don't we explore the forest tomorrow?" That one sentence changed everything. They all agreed. They were excited. They were curious. They did not know that one small decision can completely change a life. The next morning, all 5 frogs left the pond. They jumped together. They laughed. They talked. They were enjoying the journey. They were so busy having fun that they forgot one important thing. They stopped being careful. They did not see the ground properly. They did not think about danger. And then, suddenly, boom, the ground broke. In 1 second, everything changed. First frog, second frog, and third frog fell into a very deep pit. It was dark, it was cold, the walls were slippery. Fourth frog and fifth frog were standing above. They were shocked. From inside the pit, voices came. "Help us! Please save us!" Fourth frog and fifth frog looked inside the pit. Their hearts started beating fast. The pit was very deep, very dangerous. Soon, other frogs from the forest came. They also looked inside. And then the most dangerous thing happened. One frog said, "This pit is too deep." Another said, "No one can come out from here." Another said, "Don't even try. You will only waste your energy." Slowly, negative voices became louder. Inside the pit, the 3 frogs heard everything, and those words started entering their minds, just like in real life. Third frog was already afraid. When he heard, "You can't come out, it's impossible," his heart became weak. He thought, if everyone is saying this, it must be true. He stopped trying. He sat down, and slowly he gave up. Not because he was weak, but because he listened to the wrong voices. Now second frog was trying. He jumped again and again, but every time he jumped, voices came from above. "Stop! You will get hurt! You will die!" Those words became heavy. His legs became weak. His confidence broke. Finally, he believed those voices, and he stopped trying. Now, only first frog was left. He was tired, he was hurt, but he was still trying. People above were shouting loudly, "Stop now! You are foolish! There is no hope!" But something was different. First frog was not stopping. He kept jumping again and again. His body was tired, his legs were shaking, his heart was beating fast, but still he did not stop. He jumped, he slipped, he fell again. People above were shouting loudly, "Stop now! You are stupid! You will die! There is no hope!" But first frog did not react. He did not answer. He did not look up. He only focused on one thing: jump again. Everyone thought he was crazy, but then something unbelievable happened. First frog took one last deep breath. He gathered all his energy. He pushed his legs with full power, and boom! First frog came out of the pit. For a few seconds, everyone became silent. No one spoke. No one moved. Fourth frog and fifth frog ran toward him. They were shocked. They were happy. They were confused. Fourth frog asked, "How did you do this? We were telling you to stop. Did you not hear us?" First frog smiled softly. He touched his ears and said calmly, "I am deaf." Everyone was shocked. First frog continued, "I thought you were cheering for me. I thought you were saying, 'You can do it. Don't stop.' If I had heard the real words, I would also be inside that pit." Friends, this is not just a frog story. This is your life story. That pit is your problem, your situation. That pit is your struggle. When you decide to change your life, when you decide to do something different, you will fall into a pit of fear, a pit of confusion, a pit of failure. And when you fall, people will gather around you, not to help you, but to talk. They will say, "This is too hard. This is not for you. You should stop. Others have failed too." And slowly, those words will enter your mind, just like they entered the minds of the third frog and the second frog. They were not weak. They were not lazy. They were listening to the wrong voices. Now think about your own life. When you wanted to learn English, how many people said, "You are too old. You can't speak. Your pronunciation is bad"? When you wanted to start something new, how many people laughed? When you wanted to change, how many people doubted you? Most people don't fail because of lack of talent. They fail because they listen too much. First frog succeeded not because he was strong. He succeeded because he did not listen to negativity. Sometimes in life, you must become deaf. Deaf to negative opinions, fearful advice, discouraging words, and people who have never tried. If you listen to everyone, you will never move. If you want to win, you must protect your mind. Let me ask you one honest question. How many times have you stopped yourself because someone said you can't? How many dreams have you killed because of fear? Remember this: people who talk the most usually do the least. They don't want you to fail, but they don't want you to succeed either, because your success reminds them of their failure. So what should you do? Listen to advice, yes. Learn from experience, yes. But ignore negativity completely. Become deaf when the world tries to pull you down, because the same people who are telling you to stop today will clap for you tomorrow. If this story touched your heart, if it reminded you of your own life, then don't ignore this feeling. Use it. Take one small step today. And if you want more life-changing stories like this video, subscribe to the channel, because the next story might be exactly what you need right now.